The game that I chose for my project was Fraction Bingo. Fractions can be a hard concept for students to grasp, and a fun way to get students to engage and practice this skill is Fraction Bingo. The materials needed are a Fraction Bingo board game, dice, and colored pencils. How to play. First, you introduce/interest the topic to the students by explaining how a whole pizza is combined of different parts or pieces. If I eat 2 slices of the 8-piece pizza, what fraction of the pizza did I eat? Next, each student receives a game board that looks like this. Player 1 will roll the dice. If a 3 and 4 are rolled, the smaller number is the numerator and the large number is the denominator. The child will color in 3 parts of the circle cut into fourths. This process is continued between partners until the first player to fill out their board calls out bingo. This game is a great way to review fractions. I hope the students enjoy it as well.